Armed Forces Day in South Korea is an annual event generally held on October 1st to honor the service of men and women in the Republic of Korea Armed Forces. And guys, do you know that October 3rd is National Foundation Day, Chol? It celebrates the birth of Korea, especially the story about the creation of the state of Gojoseon in 2333 BC. Since South Korea regained its independence, it has emerged as a world leader in innovation, technology, and entertainment. The Embassy of the Republic of Korea in Islamabad hosted a reception on the occasion of National Day and Armed Forces Day. The event was attended by senators, ambassadors, and other high-profile dignitaries. Let's look at some of the highlights of the event. The event started with the Korean and Pakistani national anthem. Friends, are you aware that there is a type of Korean martial art called Taekwondo? Taekwondo emphasizes on kicking and punching techniques. At the reception, the Pakistan Taekwondo Federation team demonstrated its skills. Ambassador of the Republic of Korea to Pakistan, His Excellency Mr. Suh Sangpyo thanked the guests for joining him and his team for the National Day.
First of all, let me express my sincere gratitude to all the excellencies and distinguished guests here for the National Day of the Republic of Korea and February 4th and 4th Day as well.
He also spoke about Korean-Pakistani diplomatic relations that were established in 1983. Relations between Pakistan and South Korea have grown rapidly in many areas over time. The event concluded with a cake-cutting ceremony and a dinner for the guests. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.